Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, originally in Sanskrit and Bangla in 1876, and included in his magnum opus Anandamath, which was published in 1882. While Bankim Chandra was serving as the district collector, Vande Mataram was conceptualized and composed spontaneously on the banks of river Hooghly in Mollik Ghat, Chuchuda. Jadunath Bhattacharya set a tune for this poem immediately after the composition. Vande Mataram was sung for the first time by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore during the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress in 1896. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, the philosopher and spiritual nationalist of India, later known as Rishi Aurobindo, described Vande Mataram as the national anthem of Bengal in his publication Karmojogini. In 1905, soon after Curzon's announcement of the plan to partition Bengal, Vande Mataram became the Indian answer to the British anthem God Save the Queen, and emoted our sense of unity against the grave injustice that had been committed. Vande Mataram was banned by the colonial government, and the ban remained in place until India's independence in 1947. Vande Mataram is comprised of 6 stanzas, but only the first 2 were adopted as the national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shashya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayaminim Fulla Kushumita Drumadala Shobhinim Shuhashinim Shumadhura Bhashinim Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram was honored as the national song of India in 1950, a recognition of equal status with national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Vande Mataram has been set into hundreds of tunes based on the Indian classical ragas. In 2002, in a BBC World Service survey conducting an international poll, Vande Mataram ranked second among 10 most popular songs of all times. The national song has not been free from controversies and debates in a plural Indian society. However, Vande Mataram is sung in the beginning and conclusion of every parliamentary session.